Learn English with Word In. Sentence 1.
Peel off the eggshell.
Peel off the eggshell. Sentence 2.
There is a burning smell.
There is a burning smell. Sentence 3.
There is no coercion.
There is no coercion. Sentence 4.
Maria had come, hadn't she?
Maria had come, hadn't she?